Welcome back to Tire Talk. Today we're diving into the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, a car that defines American muscle with modern engineering. The Challenger has always been about raw power, aggressive styling, and the kind of road presence that makes everyone turn their heads. With the 2026 model, Dodge has managed to keep that muscle car DNA intact while introducing enough updates to keep it competitive in today's performance car landscape. This is a car built for enthusiasts who crave sound, speed, and style, and Dodge has made sure the latest Hellcat delivers all of that and more. The exterior design of the 2026 Challenger SRT Hellcat is both familiar and fresh. At first glance, it still carries the bold retro-inspired look that has made the Challenger so iconic, but subtle refinements give it a more aerodynamic and aggressive edge. The wide-body stance dominates the road, with flared fenders that house massive performance tires. Up front, the classic split grille remains but is sharper and more streamlined, paired with LED halo headlights that give off an intimidating glow. The hood scoop is larger and fully functional, feeding cool air to the beastly engine underneath. Along the sides, clean yet muscular lines accentuate the Challenger's coupe profile, while the rear features redesigned LED taillights and a subtle lip spoiler that hints at the car's performance focus. Quad exhaust tips and a diffuser complete the rear end, ensuring that it looks just as aggressive as it sounds. Dodge offers bold paint options, including signature colors like Plum Crazy, Tord, and Pitch Black, ensuring that the Hellcat looks as loud as it drives. Step inside and you'll find an interior that mixes muscle car tradition with modern technology. Dodge has clearly aimed to keep the cabin driver focused while still adding the conveniences today's drivers expect. The seats are deeply bolstered performance buckets, wrapped in a mix of leather and Alcantara, providing both comfort and grip during spirited drives. The driver's cockpit is dominated by a large digital instrument cluster that can be customized to display performance metrics, from horsepower output to quarter-mile times. At the center, a high-resolution 12-inch touchscreen runs Dodge's latest Uconnect system, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and performance apps. One standout feature is the Performance Pages suite, where drivers can monitor everything from boost pressure to G-force in real time. Premium touches like carbon fiber accents, contrast stitching, and optional Harman Kardon audio give the cabin an upscale feel, but it never loses that raw muscle car spirit. Despite the focus on performance, rear seat space is usable, making this muscle car more practical than many of its rivals. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Challenger SRT Hellcat does not disappoint. Under the hood lies a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 that produces a jaw-dropping 807 horsepower in its base configuration, with even higher output available in special editions. Dodge has fine-tuned the power delivery to make it both brutal and manageable, pairing it with an 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers lightning-fast shifts. Enthusiasts will appreciate that Dodge continues to offer a manual transmission option, keeping the purists happy. With rear-wheel drive as standard, the Challenger remains a car that demands respect, but Dodge has integrated advanced traction and stability systems to help harness all that power. The 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint takes just 3.4 seconds, and the top speed exceeds 200 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest muscle cars ever built. The wide-body design improves grip and stability, while upgraded Brembo brakes provide the stopping power needed to handle the performance. Adaptive suspension helps balance everyday comfort with track-ready handling, giving drivers the best of both worlds. Dodge has also ensured that the Hellcat retains its reputation as a car that delivers drama. The exhaust note is thunderous, with a deep growl at idle and an explosive roar under full throttle. It's the kind of sound that makes every drive an event, reminding you constantly of the power under your right foot. Despite its wild performance, the Challenger SRT Hellcat can still cruise comfortably on the highway, offering a surprisingly smooth ride for such a beast. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat is expected to start around $75,000, making it an incredible value when you consider the horsepower per dollar ratio. Higher trims, special editions, and customization options can push the price closer to $100,000, but even at that range, it remains one of the most affordable ways to own a car with this much performance and presence. Compared to European sports cars offering similar power figures, the Hellcat is a bargain, and that's part of its enduring appeal. The 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat isn't just a car, it's an experience, a throwback to the golden age of muscle with enough modern updates to thrive in today's world. It's big, it's loud, it's unapologetic, and it delivers thrills that few cars in its class can match. Dodge has kept the spirit of the Hellcat alive while refining it for a new generation, ensuring that this muscle legend continues to roar into the future. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tire Talk, and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest car reviews.